In this video tutorial, the presenter demonstrates how to adjust the aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. The tutorial begins with a landscape video, and the presenter wants to adjust the aspect ratio to make it look portrait, which is suitable for platforms such as Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. The first step is dragging the clip into the project. Next, the presenter goes to the bottom right corner and accesses the settings. Here, the timeline resolution is displayed, which is currently set on the default landscape of 1920, set on the default landscape of 1920 Kingston 8. The presenter then proceeds to change the aspect ratio by typing in the preferred resolution or selecting the button for vertical resolution. The video clip is then resized and moved to fit the new aspect ratio. This is achieved by accessing the inspector, which displays X and Y axes and sliders that can be adjusted to move and zoom in or out the video clip.